those things they had to say. You're a legend round the school, locally famous drama queen. Turn my eyes, I see you stare across the room and right at me. Now you're smiling like you got something on your mind. You're so beautiful, I don't want to turn away. You've been here before, make me feel like you're a wild animal, shaking, I am your prey. I'm all you want. If I could go back in time, I'd shoot my shot, I'd risk it all. If I could go back in time, I'd shoot my shot, just so I could have a chance with you. With you, you are always on my mind. Sitting here, I am waiting. Ones like you.
Alrighty, guys, we're here. I'm telling you, that song was a banger.
Tracking your location. Analyzing biometrics.
Welcome.
Materials.
That Biscuit's hair.
In your experience. Welcome to Liquid Lab.
Welcome in to the PM stream. Oh boy, Biscuit, you decided to join us. What's up, Bubba? Ow. What's up? He's a good boy. Guys, Biscuit decided to join us. How nice of him. Biscuit. My Bubba Wubba. Alright, stop licking me, buddy. Okay. Relax, bud. Relax. Oh, my baby. All right, Biscuit. You can chill in the room, but you cannot chill right here. Okay? Okay, stop licking, please. All right, welcome to PM stream, guys. How we doing? What? A Biscuit don't overtrade. He actually didn't take a trade today. Right, Bubba? You know what's hilarious? I was in a trade last night. And I got trailed out. I don't know where I got trailed out, but the same time that I got trailed out, Biscuit actually needed to go use the bathroom. I think he was trading for me. Bubba, you gotta get off me, man. You gotta get off me. Off. Sorry, Bubba. Boy. Daddy gotta make money for your treats, man. All right, let's do this. Welcome in. I'm still bullish. We have so much low resistance built up. Look at this. Like from overnight session. It just, the delivery has been pretty ass, but I do think this is gonna end up getting ran through. The hourly gap that we've been respecting is still there. Where is the actual wick? Right, this hourly gap is still holding, made of vibranium. So something to watch for. How old are you? How old do I look like? How old do I look? Oh, also guys, AM stream, I posted it. I posted the trade or me like exiting. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. We would have made way more money if we took ES on this. Because like ES delivered what? 17 points. NQ did not deliver. We got like 90 points, 30 points, or 80 points. As soon as ES hit the high, I was out of there. I was like, I'm done. I'm not gonna entertain it. I'm 23. Pushing 30. No, it's not supposed to be. Like 17 points on ES. NQ should have went like 100 or something. But what's good, Arvin? What's good? What's good? What's good?
We are not meant to save the world.
All right.
We are meant to leave it.
Our withdraw hit. So account back at 250. 250. We just withdrew. We withdrew 144K. We actually put the order in on Friday, but it just got approved today because of the weekend, obviously. So paid ourselves a good chunk here. Bro, I never thought you would actually take those trades live. Why wouldn't I take them live? Bro, if the trade is there, I'll take it live, bro. Even the unks call him unk. All right, bro. Looking at the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour is confusing, but I even just using the daily bias on it. We have an OB here. So we shall see. PA is trash. We'll trade our funded account though if we take a trade. And if it gets like really good somehow, or if I really like the setup, I'll take like 0.5 risk. Yeah, if we would have hit TP today, it would have been like a 30K trade, roughly. Roughly. Credentials. Let me sign into this. I got no. I didn't get stopped at BE. As soon as ES hit the high, I closed my trade. I posted in a general chat. I posted. Yeah, I posted it. I was like, right here. Why are you barking? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Bubba. Oh my god. The chair went on his paw. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh, I'm sorry. He was being good and sleeping next to me, and I ruined him. I ruined his experience. Sorry, Bubba. I didn't know he was behind me. I thought he went outside. We have a lot of low resistance FPG below. Yeah, so we have low resistance both ways, which is why I'm like, but I'm also just playing the daily bias here. Like I see, bro. I'm like I talked about it earlier too. Like I'm not blind to these lows. Like I understand, but at the same time, I don't want to fade a daily gap right now. You know? Yeah, I felt bad. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, my mom made me keema yesterday, right? To like take home back here, bro. People, if you don't know what keema is, like an Indian dish. It's like ground chicken. I had a meeting. I leave for literally 2 minutes. I get home, I have 2 minutes, and I left it like where a biscuit could reach it. Bro, his face still has turmeric on it. It's so funny. He ate so much of it. I'm like, you know what, bro? You got it, bro. You got it. I'll let you got it. No, I don't trade gold. Like, chat, he dead at ate half the thing, bro. That was a pretty big container. Oh no, you're not chewing my mic, bro. I called my mom. I was like, "Is there garlic and onion in it?" Because she knows I like it like plain, like this chicken, haldi, and like tomatoes and whatnot. She's like, "No, it's not." I was like, if you're playing for internal ranges, Angela, you could kind of catch some winning trades. Like, for example, I wanted to take this IFEG trade here and just to play to the internal range. So this is what I mean. Like when we're chopping like this, and we're not expanding. So you could just take it to this range high here, right? Even for a short, if you could have shorted this FEG down into these lows, that's a high probability trade in my eyes. Like this is high probability. Like short this FEG into the data low, and also I think the Trump news low, right? And then relative equal low. So it's not bad for scalping. That's probably something I could have done better with my trade in the morning. I expected it to go up like a trend, but we didn't get it. All right, biscuit. So I don't know what we're gonna do here in terms of this session, if we're gonna just continue chopping or not. Oh, biscuits here. Can you guys see him? You guys can't see him right now. He's right there. The blue, so he has a blue eye and he has a brown eye. His brown eye is getting the blue spot too. I hope it stays brown though. So cute. Yeah, he's a mini. Guys, keep in mind it's still Monday. Give it some time. Has a 7-hour rally gap got hit? It has been hit. Someone on my stream mentioned it today. 7-hour gap. But look, if we get this LR still, by the time end of day happens, I'll probably grab some NDX calls. See if you can get another 10k or 10x. Every day I cannot wait for the next day for new opportunities as a trader, but also getting anxiety attack because there's so much time is gone. I'm not profitable yet, bro. Time is such a weird thing, because when you look at other people, you're like, oh my god, so and so is doing this or so and so is doing that, bro. Everyone's on their own timeline. Like I guess I'm guilty of that too. Like I'm not anyone who's not guilty of that. Like I post my P&L, right? But I need you guys to look at it and I'd be like, oh, comparison, because like you guys are seeing like the final version, not final because we can always improve, but you guys are seeing a very fine-tuned version of myself when it comes to trading, right? Like I've been trading since 2021 and I've been consistent with what I've been doing since then, right? Every single day. And you guys are seeing what I'm doing now, but like you can't compare it to you if you're just started now, right? And it started like a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, 2-3 years ago even, right? It's just like everyone's gonna be on their own timeline. Some people just get it faster than others, right? Whether it's in school, whether it's trading, whether it's other stuff in business, like, but you just gotta compare yourself to you, and oh, that's it. No one else. But no one else is gonna come pay your bills, bro. LR is low resistance liquidity. Biscuit, No, Bubba. No. That's insane. Can you rate the 15-minute IFTG? B. I would go half risk on it, honestly, if I was you. But then again, you gotta like understand, like, your stop loss needs to be these lows, bro, and your TP needs to be these highs, right? If I'm taking a 15-minute setup, I'm gonna play the entire range. But if you look at like a 1 minute at the 15-minute, like let's say we get like a, I don't know, like a 15-minute IFTG, then we get a little pullback. You can use a 1 minute entry and kind of use this as a low and use these as take profit areas. But look, if you want to learn if you want to learn stuff about my trading, you got to join the masterclass tomorrow. Simple as that. You gotta join the masterclass tomorrow. How many of you guys are signed up for it already? How many of you guys are signed up already? It's free, bro. It's free. It's free, kid. It's free, bro. I'm telling you, it is literally free 99. No charge. It is literally free. I'm skipping my friend's wedding. The biggest struggle that people have is psychology. We're gonna break that down, bro. Break it down. The cost is free. Also, I can't pay attention. Are you looking for longs? Are you looking for longs? Are you looking for longs? Bro, fuck out of here, bro. You know who I'm waiting for to come right now? Motherfucker King Kong, bro. King Kong's gonna come in here and say some crazy shit. I already know. I'm waiting for him. I'm waiting for King Kong, chat. Biscuit. Hey. What are we doing? No. Wait, he looks so cute though. Let me get a pic. Biscuit. He's so cute. All right, let me kick him out of here. Let me kick him out of here. He's enjoyed his time in the office. Come on. Go. No, there were no recording. How old is he? He's 5.5 months. This is super chop. We need a strong discussion for students who are still pursuing college. Man, why them think they know? Man, why them think there's no need to graduate and just learn ICT? Don't know if that's right or even good. Yeah, people should definitely do college. Hey, T-Lunch, I got you. Or Latunch. What are you looking for? I'm looking for an upside move. There's nothing really to trade though. It's pretty choppy. This 1 hour box down here is the fair value gap that I had. I had this one right here. This is fair value gap. You can use it as an S&D level, same thing. How's your day going? Good, bro. I got off the AIM stream. No, went to get coffee, train biscuit a little bit. So good, can't complain. We just took this IFEG earlier. Oh my god, I don't say only, but out of the 50k, this was like around like 9k that we made from here. I don't know the exact amount when I closed it, because obviously I was going for these highs, but ES took out those highs, right? So I had to close my trade on NQ per my rules. But I just took an overnight long yesterday. I'll say I would only call like 50 points. I'll say that then, because like the dollar value really doesn't matter. It's just about, and like I said, like, are you guys able to hold the trade and see it go back down, come back up? And it's just like, that's the things that it took. If you guys saw me on stream, we took this IFEG setup right here. We took this setup right here, guys. My demeanor was the same whether price was down here or we're up in the green over here, right? Like that's how it needs to be. You have to have the same kind of demeanor. You can't be too excited about the wins or too, oh my god, it's over, when the losses. Like when we're in drawdown, people are like, oh my god, it's over, so more. We go in profit, they're like, oh my god, Desi, you're the goat, and it's like, bro, you're immature. The easiest way to identify not trading is speed. If there's no speed in the market, there's obviously no speed right now, right? It's because, once again, with the speed, right? Yeah, my thing was, look, ES took at the highs, NQ didn't, and we're just getting so much chop. Look, if I exit the trade and then, you know what, I was wrong in terms of exiting, I don't think I'm wrong because I followed my system, right? But let's say, for example, NQ was like, hey, you know what, fuck the SMT, we're gonna keep going. I don't mind taking re-entries here, understanding we are now getting that full expansion move to our overnight highs. There's no issue of me getting a re-entry here, and if I don't get a re-entry, that's fine as well, right? But seeing how slow the morning was and how weak NQ was compared to ES, me, it makes a lot more sense just to close it there. Do you know Hindi? I speak Punjabi. I can understand Hindi. I used 8 contracts, so I was risking like a 12.5k 0.5R. My Globix trade was based off of this hourly gap, pretty much as long as the hourly gap, if I'm being honest. That was a bias. What trader do you look up to? No one really. Yeah, 8 minis. No. My definition of a trader isn't if you could read the market good or bad. It's like it's other things than that. It's like more of the mindset approach. What has been your run? Oh, that's a good question. Good question. Let's see. Oh, I took a picture of it earlier. 74% wins, which I understand. My trading, I'm right around 63 to 68%, like on average. So I just average out of 65. So there's going to be a time where I'm going to take a couple losses in a row. That the law of averages is always going to kick in. Whether you're losing 10 trades in a row, you eventually get back to that 65 benchmark anyways, right? Or whether you're winning a lot in a row, you're going to get to that 65 benchmark anyways, right? That's what data is. You have these outlier moments, but at the end of the day, the averages are always 65. Now, I can increase my average overall by avoiding low probability conditions, which I think I have compared to last year. So at the end of the year, I'll calculate my entire percentages in terms of wins and losses, but I'm basing off that 65% from last year. This one's probably a little bit higher this year, a little bit, but I don't know how drastic it is. So be careful if you're copying 100%, because if you're trying to signal bot someone, you're basing it off my data, but you're not taking every single trade that I'm taking. So it's not going to work out for you. How long did you losing? I lost like 11 trades in a row. Was it late June, guys? Oh, on stream, it was happening too. You know, if you do like a survey of 100 trades from a trader who has like a 65% win rate, you will lose a lot of trades on average. Let's say I have a 65% win rate. AI is calculating this. NDX, maybe end of the day if we can get if we don't have the LR swept by then. All right, ready? A win rate with 65%, your loss rate is 35%. Assuming each trade is independent and your true win rate stays the same, around 65%, on 100 sample size, at least 4 losses in a row, you have a 63% chance of losing 4 trades in a row. You have a 30% chance of losing 5 trades in a row, and you have 11% chance of losing 6 trades in a row, right? So when you think about this, you guys can see like the losing. You know, if you're sizing risk of the trading system, I'd plan as though 4 to 5 losses consistently is normal throughout your 65% win rate. So about what I said. 6 trade losing streak happens in around 1 to 4 sets of 100 trades. Pretty possible. The same thing with the win rate, right? It's the same thing. Which is why I always say, do not live or die by a single trade. You are going to lose multiple trades in a row with a high win rate too, right? Oh, it's like a Nutella macadamia something? Yeah, I saw it and I was like, oh, okay. Yep. All right. There's a pretzel there too. It's like chocolate covered pretzel. All right. Is Kawhi gonna be a Raptor? Bro, Kawhi is cooked, bro. Bro's getting hit with a Rico. Does he Garrett Islam, bro? If Islam loses, I'm gonna be so sad. I feel like it's gonna be a harder fight than people think, but I think I got Islam. Dude, that card is fucking ass, bro. Terrible card. You put the #1 pound for pound fighter with like the most ass card ever is so disrespectful. I don't mind it. I fine to down. I'm just not gonna play the downside. Like I'm pretty sure you're talking about this 5-minute IFEG plus changes to delivery. Like I don't mind it. I saw it too, but it's just like I don't want to short this market, bro. I'm not comfortable shorting this. You're a Raiders guy? Yeah, I am. I'm excited for this season. Yeah, I don't. You see my live streams, Amos, as I'm streaming. Like I don't have anything. The only indicator that I have is this right here. That gives me my watermark, so everyone else could see it. But that's it. Yeah, the trade earlier was cool. Like we had an hourly fair value gap, right? We obviously had a manipulation like lower. We got the 1-minute IFEG from the first gap that was presented today. I took the IFEG on NQ. Obviously, did not deliver all the way. However, on ES, you guys can see the IFEG played out really nicely. No drawdown. And as soon as the ES took the high, I was out. I can use code DESI for the SPF referral. Basically, what I get is like extra points that I'm going to give it to you guys anyways. Also, make sure you guys go watch the latest videos, especially these two. I really am trying to focus on a singular point in these videos, and it's like, look, you guys need to understand the trading weeks are only good during certain times. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand more than anything. That's what the videos are having. Any trades today? We took an AM trade. Hey, shout out Brinder. Shout out. The next video is gonna be more technical, kind of like breaking down how I would approach a New York session, and then we have some other ones planned as well. Are any live trades during your masterclass? And fuck no, dude. Masterclass tomorrow, 11 p.m. Eastern, or 8 p.m. Eastern, excuse me. Yeah, gold's been pretty active, right? Damn. Yep. Fuck it, we should have took the gold IFEG in the morning, bro. Fucking Q. Damn, this is actually a pretty clean delivery. I don't understand gold too much because we will leave like liquidity like this, and I'm like, oh, we're gonna run the equal lows, and then it just fucking decides to go. You know, we had data lows right here too, I'm guessing. We're just pinned right here. Bro, I'm trying to help you guys as much as possible on the free side of things, bro. Like, I could easily just go behind a paid wall, live stream there, but we're here every day. Like I said, tomorrow, come in, prepare to take notes, ask questions, everything. I really want to tackle the psychology side of things. Good luck into us. Got you guys. Now, I told you guys earlier today, I didn't have no if-then statements for downside. What I'm concerned about, the only thing I'll be like, okay, we're kind of fucked here. If we get a change in the state of delivery plus the IFEG here, it's done for, bro. Okay. I understand that. That's very, very far away. I don't expect it to happen. But if it does, we're cooked on this. The market is going to probably go down to these lows down here. But until then, I can't get myself to be like, hey, look, we have a daily gap, daily OB, relative equal highs. Like, yeah, let me go short this. That doesn't make sense to me. For my trading, at least. All right, let's mark out low a day here. We have so much low resistance. Like, these are the days where, you know, like if we're towards the end of the day and we're just like this, you know, kind of consolidating, like I will jab NDX. Like this is the similar setup to yesterday's or last Friday's. We saw Friday. Where was Friday? Like, look at this, right? We had a lot of low resistance building up. We had relative equal highs out, daily highs. This was a really good setup to upside. We even had SMT here with ES. So if we can get a move like this again, that'd be great. Yeah, Friday was a booming end. And it's so good when price is chopping, then it expands because options contracts go insane. But I do think we ended up taking the best trade of the day today, honestly. This one here. Still salty. M&Q got break even. Yeah, I don't know what that was. That was weird. That was weird. I have no idea what that said, but too much spam. Yeah, I mean that's all I need. It's only a couple things. Barcode, it looks like it. It looks like it. Super slow, chat. You ever tried CFDs? A little bit back in the day, but not anymore. I think we can inverse the monthly 2-3 month low and then get back in the weekly upside. Whoa. What is crypto doing? Is crypto still dead? Bro, crypto is dead, bro. This shit is ass. We've been chopping in this range for like 60 days. More than 60 days. The range is like 190 days. This shit is dead for. I still do want to see this sweep down here. Get a little Tory trades trend line going. We're rejecting the Tory trades trend line. It's a Cream Liquid Lab Volume 11. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on with this one. Obviously we know when crypto goes, it goes, but it's been super duper slow. Head and shoulders, no, dead ass. Dead ass. Oh my god, my back actually cracked. I think trading futures is easier, honestly. It's more liquid. Tory trades tan lines. All right, buddy. Let me find out. Buddy just clicked on that account right now. Do you trade Asia? When in these conditions, yes, I do. There's only a few times out of the year I do. I'm full Punjabi. Full Punjabi. Can you show us one of your payouts with the overall amount on one prop firm? Bro, if you go and like search my name with Apex, you can see it. Yeah, I've been moved to live a bunch. TPT, Top Step. Got banned on Apex. My Funny Futures. There's options to move. This is why I think swing trading is really good, because you don't got to worry about the day-to-day basis and just rock it. Live accounts are getting better now. I think Lucid is good. TPT is good. Top Step is okay. They're pretty good now. Who's Pakistani? Desi, can you make a video of daily bias? You want to see something funny? Only if there was a way to get access to me and T trades and do the daily bias there. Oop, I don't want to show too much. I don't want to show too much. What if I told you Intercapital had a personalized T trades lesson about daily bias? I can't dance for shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Can you make a video? You're funny. Bro, I'm unk, bro. My knees don't work like they used to, bro. It's over. Dude, price is so slow. Chat, drop a like on the stream. Let's at least do a Lucid crate or something. Give me a second, chat. Which brokers go for 0 TEs? Robinhood, Webull, TOS. Keep in mind, some brokers don't allow like Spire, QQQ past 345. But SPX and NDX is a lot. We have a daily gap already. We have another daily gap possibly forming. Yeah, I see. It's a very small one if it does. But we have an OB here too. Ideally, this stays at protected low and this does not get tapped into. Like this needs to like remain this. If we go down like down here, oh no. Oh no, oh no. This isn't a definition of a protected low, but like a definition of a protected low is like a sweep within a fair value gap and that low being protected. But in non-ICT terms, I don't want to see this get hit. Trade of it looks difficult. It's pretty good. Trade of it's good. The only thing I hate about Trade of it is like if I don't like using like the DOM or like whatever the fuck it is. So if I leave an order in, it stays in there until I cancel it. That's what sucks about it. But you can go around that. Low key top step broker. I need to apply for it because I want to use a top step broker. Any beginner trying to start with CFDs, I think you should 100% switch to futures, bro. There is literally no point in using CFDs in 2026. What do you think is better, aiming for a simple maximizing profits is only happening during high probability conditions, but it's not about maximizing the money. It's about your system presenting itself over and over again. If my system is presenting itself over and over again, why not keep trading, right? As long as I follow my 2-loss rule. But I'm not going for the money. That's not the point. You guys saw it literally on stream today. If I was going for the money, I would have closed at the high or whatever. Like, that's not the point. It's about the system presenting itself. That's what allows you to take more than a few trades in a day. That only happens certain times out of the year, right? It doesn't happen often. So I don't like to cap out how many trades I can win in a day. That doesn't make any sense. Like, if I'm winning, I'm winning. If the probabilities are in my favor, why not keep going? But if I take 2 losses in a row, I'm done for the day regardless, right? But like, you need to understand, like, people are like, oh, 1 trade a day. That shit does not work, bro, in the long run. You should do it to start off to build your discipline. But when you're trying to scale your trading, you realize, like, how many times have you guys realized, like, look, hey, like, I thought there was a lot of good setups today that, you know, you took this, and this, right? But what does that come with? It's 2 sides of the coin. The other side of the coin is you need to be able to sit on your fucking hands and do nothing. Those are the 2 sides of the coins. There is no reason to cap out how many wins if your system is presenting itself over and over and over again, all while following your risk management. The other side of the coin is, what do you do when price isn't presenting itself with your system? That's when you need to be completely off the market, and people can't get that, so they resort to using 1 trade a day system. In my eyes, a 1 trade a day system is a scam, but I also believe it can only be for certain people who understand what to do when price is not going according to their system, which is not doing anything. And sometimes doing nothing is the hardest thing, but you'll get ahead of you'll get overall better in trading by doing nothing. So many people are designed to be like, hey, we're gonna get paid by the time we put on the chart. No, you're gonna get paid by your decisions. And sometimes the best decision is just simply not doing anything, right? And that's what people don't understand. So start with 1 trade, whatever, but understand, as you scale your trading, that one, you'll see some days are just much more high probability than others. When the days we have 2-3% days, you think there's only 1 good setup? No, there's the multiple good setups that you can put, take. If you're, scalping or whatever, you just want to hold the whole move, you can do that as well. But it's just understanding conditions, and until you understand conditions, put those hard rules on yourself. And when you have the trust within yourself that you're not gonna fuck up on a day you're not supposed to trade, then you could dial back those rules a little bit. But keep in mind, with all being said, the risk stays the same. The risk never changes. That's because you're taking more trades doesn't mean, oh, I'm gonna go risk 3 times the amount I normally risk. That's not a profitable system. It's more so maximizing your upside while also capping your downsides out. So for me, I take 2 losses and I'm done for the day. I haven't taken anything for PM session. It's been pretty slow. Been vibing out. And that's what I do on these streams. If you guys are new, like, we'll take trades, but it's also like, if I have nothing to present itself, I'm not gonna take a trade just to take it. That obviously helps you guys not take a trade either. Give me a sec, chat. I think the low resistance could get ran through. I don't know. I have an NS6. I have the Acura. The general statement, I don't take trades after 11:30. If that's part of your system, that's totally fine. For my system, I don't believe in time-based price action. I really don't. And it's kind of like backwards coming from a trader who uses ICT. But I don't believe a certain time is better than the other. Like if during those high probability days, the market is moving throughout the entire day. It really is, right? But that's just based off what price action is giving me. I'm not gonna trade this, even though it's like it's in a the new 4-hour candle and whatnot, but it's like it's not showing me anything. And it's a whole different way that kind of goes into Globex session too. It's like I only trade Globex session when we're having these monthly fair value gap taps and like these daily gaps and stuff like that. Like I don't do it on a day-to-day basis. Like, you guys saw me in what, May, June, July, like 3 months. I really didn't do much. I didn't do much, right? Instead of information. Let's go by Lambo. I'm good, bro. Like I like obviously trading the 4-hour candles are pretty solid. How do I sign up for the masterclass? It's pinned right here on the YouTube chat. Kind of slow day today. ES is a lot stronger. We still have the SMT at like data lows or like the wick low here, but I don't know. I'll wait till end of day, see if I can take some NDX or something, but if I don't, I don't. We'll see, we'll see. Are you winging the masterclass or do you have something laid out? You think I'm gonna wing something I've been hyping up all week? What? What happens is you don't ever follow a script. There's no script ever. There's guidelines of what I want to talk about. That's a reminder to myself. From the guideline, it's like a bullet. It'll be like a point, and I expand on it on the spot there. And that's how the conversations flow. I don't know if you've used to what conversations look like. That's how the conversations flow. It's a guideline you use for that. My YouTube videos, we have guidelines of what I want to talk about. And as I explain it on the chart, I start talking about it in a deeper level. And then, guys, since it's a conversation, you guys talk to me and we take it even deeper on a personal level. I just did a masterclass on conversations right there. I'm like this. All right, guys, welcome to the masterclass. Today we are discussing how to trade IFEGs. fuck? Yeah, it's funny. You guys are funny. Yo, my funny futures, they brought out the EOD account. Is pretty nice. The EOD drawdown account. They're pretty smooth. Are you concerned if it closed below the 4-hour gap? Not really, because we saw that daily gap under us. Where is the 4-hour gap? What 4-hour gap are we talking about? Like this one right here, or this big one? We're fucked. If this big one goes, we're cooked. We're going through that devil's mark on the daily chart, but as long as the daily holds, I'm fine. It's still very early in the day, and we really haven't moved much, guys. Like our New York session, we have not moved. We're literally sideways the entire time. Look at this. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me warm up my coffee. Dude, I have biscuits hair everywhere. Oh my goodness. Guys, good news. I got meta glasses. I'm gonna do day in the life of a trader. It's gonna be the most non-aesthetic morning routine of all time. We will feature biscuit. Bro, can we get something like this, please? End of day, 1000% again. Who's silver palm trading? I got meta glasses now. Of course. No, I'm gonna put my prescription in them too, but it's like you could record and like make videos and stuff. And it's meta glasses, like Meta, Mark Zuckerberg. In the coffee shop back. Wake up. This house gonna be. I wake up at 5:30. I'm like, what's happening? What's happening? take a little biscuit out to go pee, come back inside, fire up the stream. Guys, you know what's funny? When the cover screen is on, I'm literally right here, just watching chat. I'm just collecting myself, bro. I'll be like this for 10 minutes. And sometimes I forget I'm live. I'll be like this. Like that. All right. Obviously, we're growing on socials. We're growing on YouTube, guys. I will never DM you first about anything. Just keep that in mind. Don't get scammed by fake me's. Just I won't DM you first. If I have any announcement ever, it'll be live on YouTube and whatnot. All right, guys, 30 more likes. Let's do a lucid crate. Let's run Brian out of stock here. All right, let's do this. Let's see if we have any more crates, honestly. First of all, we already went through it so much. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I told you guys, when we hit 2,000 concurrent viewers on YouTube, we're gonna do a fat giveaway. We almost hit it today. We're at 1880. I got nervous for a second. I was like, hold on, I'm not ready for this giveaway, but I'll start prepping for that. Okay, that code's used. All right, we got a code. Let's do it. Direct funded account, please. No direct account. That's fine. I thought we were gonna get another 50K. That's fine. 25K pro will do it. All good. Oh shit, what's happening? My fucking hand slipped. Guys, my hand slipped. Oh my god, my hand slipped. My hand slipped, bro. I didn't mean to open up another crate. My hand literally slipped. It was crazy. Fuck. No direct account. God damn it. Oh, let's go. Back to back 50Ks today. Let's go, man. Let's go. Bro, our luck is turning around, guys. We suffered long enough. Our luck is turning around. My hand accidentally floated to the crate. You know, it was like, huh. I didn't mean to do it, but. All right, fire. We can do that in the stream. $525K. This is so slow, guys. This is the best comment I've read all day. You need to detox seriously from the craze. You are enjoying it more than us. Welcome to Desi Trey's YouTube stream, bro. Fuck that. Shit. I get the itch to open the crates. I'm gonna open them. That's a funny comment, though. Anyone ever scale? Yeah, you could scale more than 10 props, but keep in mind, scaling prop accounts is earned, not given. You gotta be consistent with a few at a time, and then add. Gotta get the dopamine somewhere, dead ass. Trading doesn't do it, which is good. So I gotta do it other ways. I know you're playing. What's What's the actual price of a 50K Pro? That's a good question. Let me see. Add account, 50K Pro. Oh, it depends. If you put no daily loss limit, it's the 115, sorry. And then with it off, it's 140. So, pretty good. Yeah, Brian's all good. We talk every day. Good. Hey, this has been work. SPF is a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of back end stuff. He's just doing that. He's busy. I don't know if giveaways. I think you could pick, right? You should have pick. No, dead ass. So how to enter giveaway? I'll do it right now in the Discord. So let's go to Discord. Invite you guys to the server. We had a lot of entries today. 640. Oh. Oh, okay. Wrong bot, my bad. If it doesn't work, just keep clicking it. It'll work. It'll work. That's a second pro account today, the 50K. I think it. I put 2 winners. No, I put 1 winner. If it doesn't work, just keep smacking the button, bro. It's not paywalling. It's fucking free. God damn, bro. It's literally free. I wait as soon as the candle closure. I don't ever wait for a retest. I have too many damn strategies killing my P&L. You gotta stick to something that works with you, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I have an older brother. Have I shown him how to trade? Yeah, he's like interested semi. He has other stuff going on, right? He's busy with his life. Could I explain Smart Prop Firm? Of course I can. So, Smart Prop Firm is a one-stop shop. No, seriously though. I wouldn't be backing Smart Prop Firm if it wasn't actually good. Like if you're gonna buy evals, you might as well use code SMART because you're gonna get rewards for using the code. You're gonna get Smart Prop Firm points back that you could redeem for evaluation accounts. Let me show you guys what it looks like if I can remember my password. If I can remember my password. I forgot my password. Great. Yep, I forgot my fucking G. Dude, I have 15,000 time reset. Embarrassing. Oh, it worked. It worked. So if you go to the marketplace in Smart Prop Firm, right, you'll get points. And with the points, you could redeem one. You could redeem it for different evaluations. You got Lucid, you got Tradeify, you got a Lucid crate. If you want to feel gambling, you know. Another cool thing that people have been utilizing a lot is like TradeZella. 500 points is like nothing. Like 500 points is like you could get that very quickly. You could get a month of free TradeZella, Edgeful, FX Replay, funded futures. You can get this year access, Lightning accounts, etc. So that's Smart Prop Firm. Really worth it. All right, winner is Well Trades. Oh, yep, that's a familiar name. Congratulations, congratulations. DM Jason, and then we'll do a Lucid 25K giveaway as well, guys. So here, go back to the Discord. 2 minutes, Lucid 25K. All right, cool. Super slow PM, guys. We got on around 10 or 1:15, so right around here. We literally haven't moved much. Moski. Did Brian retire? He's rich, bro. He's on a Puerto Rican island, private, in a $4 million house. He bought that shit cash. 4 million. Oh, what's good? We gotta try that. Jose, bro, where were you this morning, dude? I didn't see you. Nah, he is in Puerto Rico, but he hasn't bought a house yet. But he's here, bro. He's active. He just behind the scenes working on SPF. Would he move to Puerto Rico because of taxes? No. You were in the stream. Did you say anything? I didn't see you today, bro. Usually, like when your face pops up, it's like I'm like, oh, Jose's here. We good. The gang's all. Look, there's a few people I recognize on a day-to-day basis, and I'm like, the gang's all here, you know. I'm like, the gang. You're part of the gang, bro. Okay, cool. Fire. But win rate's only 55% this year. Are you profitable? A win rate is like whatever, you know, depending on your system. You good for sure. All right, the Pedroid. I don't know. That sounds like a slur or something, bro. I don't know. This just sounds like a slur, guys. I don't know. Don't clip me. I don't know what it means. Let's look this up. What the fuck is a Pedroid? A period menstrual. What? Is it? Why does it? No, pedroid, not period, bro. What the fuck is this? Guys, a period cycle. Yeah, like it's fucking auto correcting to period. Okay. I don't think it's anything bad. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yo, some of y'all names have almost caught me slipping, bro, a couple times. I'm not gonna lie. Pedro. Okay. All right, congratulations on the win. DM Jason. Guys, we're super slow. We done anything here. If we could sweep low a day, honestly, I will jab NDX end of day. Because this low resistance was making me bricked up. I'm not gonna lie. We get a Friday repeat chat. Steph's kiss. Like, if we could, like, sweep low 15-minute IFEG, I think it would be really good, but GC's still going? Bro, what? Hey, gold's hot right now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what's happening, but... how much you guys want to pay? There's like a monthly gap here or something. There has to be, right? Bro, look at this perfect LR sweep. And go. There has to be, like, a monthly gap here. I promise you guys, I did not look at the gold chart. Just looking at this price action, when you have these non-stop bullish days, you can expect like a higher time frame gap. Of course, there's a fucking monthly gap here, dude. Look at this. There it is. $18% for the monthly gap. I wonder if anyone trades physical gold by using the chart. I think that'd be kind of sick. You know, this pullback was pretty good after running up, what, like 150%? God, dude. That gold run was crazy. Yeah, it's slow and it's putting me to sleep, but I'm going to go take a nap. Made 5.1K last night. The overnight session onshore, good enough for today. See you tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Have a good one, bro. Have a good one. Get that rest in. I appreciate you guys for being on as well. I know we're not doing much right now, but it's always good to get on. Hope it kind of helps you guys not get into a trade anyways either.
Bro, my body's like super tight.
Yep, appreciate you guys. Yeah, it's creating low resistance liquidity. I think honestly we can probably tap some LR soon. We have a daily gap down here or not daily gap, daily OB here. It's kind of, I don't know. I would want to see higher prices. ES looks a little bit different, obviously. Why is this NWOG here, bro? Why couldn't we fill this? Yo, ES really had like a 6% move on ES that fast is crazy. I know NQ moved up like, what was it? Like 15%? Or 10%, I mean? Yeah, 10. What helps you not overtrade? I come into the market with a plan, usually my if-then statements, right? And I only follow those. If that doesn't get presented to me, I don't take a trade. Also, like, I know what's going to help me overall become profitable, and it's not trying to trade this type of price action. Like, I'll take some lottos with NDX and stuff at these lows and whatnot, but like overall, it's best for me to stay off my live account for this type of PA. Oh, we have CPI this week, right? Let me see. So I have options expiring Wednesday. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna take a full loss on those. I don't think the market's gonna move much before CPI, but I want to get in a reposition for Friday at least. See, maybe buy more time. I have my leaps already, but this is like short dated. Yeah, if we can get something like this, that'd be good for the rest of the day. All right, guys, I think we'll wrap up for the PM session here too. I got a meeting in about an hour, so wrap up. Sign up for mess class, no basic ICT. Yeah, you're fine. That should be good. They were pretty hard about it when I first started, but they're good now. All right, guys, peace and love. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream in the morning and this one as well. We caught a nice trade in the morning. ES did not deliver, or ES did deliver, excuse me, 2-hour highs from overnight. NQ did not. That's totally fine. Manage our risk. We took our green and got out of the day, and that's about it, right? Don't do anything dumb. Be smart. Be safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow live. Also, if you have not joined the masterclass, make sure you guys are signed up for it tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern. We are going to run the class. I'll remind you guys tomorrow on our YouTube live streams as well. All right. Peace and love. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. As always, working, guys. Keep working.